Anna was a 14-year-old girl. She lived in a small village near the mountains. Her family was poor, but they were happy. Her father was a farmer. Her mother made clothes at home. Anna had one little brother named Tom. One evening, a big storm came. The wind was very strong. The rain hit the roof loudly. Then the lights went out. Anna and her family sat together in the dark. Suddenly they heard a loud sound. A tree had fallen on their small house. Part of the roof was broken. Water came in. Everyone ran to stay dry. Her father said, "Stay calm. We will be okay." Anna was scared, but she held her brother's hand and said, "We must be strong." That night they couldn't sleep. They sat together cold and wet, but they stayed close and tried to smile. In the morning they saw the damage. The roof was broken. The garden was full of mud. Her father looked tired. Anna wanted to help. She took a broom and started cleaning the floor. Her mother smiled. "You are a brave girl," she said. Anna didn't feel brave. She was still scared, but she wanted to help her family. That day she worked hard. She helped clean, washed clothes, and took care of Tom. At night she was tired, but her heart felt strong. The next days were not easy. Rain came again. The roof still had holes. Water came inside. Her father worked all day trying to fix the house. Her mother was sick. She had a cough and needed rest. Anna cooked simple food. She gave Tom a blanket and told him stories. Every day she said to herself, "Be strong." At school, Anna had trouble. She was tired and didn't finish her homework. Some classmates laughed at her. One boy said, "Why do you look so dirty?" Anna didn't cry. She looked at him and said, "My house was broken in the storm. We are trying to fix it." The teacher heard and told the class, "Anna is strong. She is helping her family. That is true courage." After that, no one laughed at her again. One day, Anna's father fell from the roof. He hurt his leg. He couldn't walk. Anna's heart felt heavy, but she didn't stop. She went to the neighbor and asked for help. The neighbor, Mr. Lee, was kind. He came and helped fix the roof. Other people in the village also came. They brought food, wood, and blankets. Anna saw how kindness and strength could grow like a small light. At night, her mother said, "You are stronger than you know." Anna smiled. She felt proud, but she was still worried. Winter was coming. Would her family be okay? Winter came with cold winds and snow, but now the roof was fixed. The house was warmer. Her father's leg was healing. Her mother was feeling better, and Anna, she was different. She had grown stronger. One morning, she woke up early. She saw the sun shine on the snow. The world looked white and clean. Anna walked outside. She smiled. She remembered the storm, the broken house, the fear. But now, it was a new day. At school, her grades got better. She worked hard. The teacher gave her a book. "This is for you, Anna." She said, "You are a leader." Anna read the book every night. It was about girls who changed the world. She wanted to be like them. One day, the village held a small event. People came to share food and stories. Mr. Lee stood up and said, "This year was hard. But one girl showed us what strength is. Anna, come here." Everyone clapped. Anna walked to the front. She was shy, but then she looked at the people. She saw their smiles. She saw her family. She said, "I'm not the strongest, but I didn't give up. I just did what I could." We all can be strong when we stand together. That day, something changed in her. She was no longer just a girl from a poor family. She was a symbol of hope. Anna now believed in herself. One day, her school invited a guest, a woman engineer. She spoke about how she built bridges and helped cities grow. Anna listened with bright eyes. After the talk, Anna said, "I want to be an engineer too." Her classmates were surprised, "But you are a girl and your family is poor." Anna smiled. "That doesn't matter. I can learn. I can work hard." She went home and told her parents. Her father said, "We believe in you." Her mother gave her an old bag. "This was mine. Now it's yours." Every day after school, Anna studied more. She read about science and math. She asked questions. Her teacher gave her extra books and even free lessons on weekends. Tom, her little brother, would sit beside her and say, "One day, I'll be strong like you." Sometimes Anna felt tired. Sometimes the path felt long, but she kept going. She remembered the storm and how she stayed strong. She knew now strength also means working for your dream. One evening, her teacher brought her a form. "This is a scholarship form for high school in the city. You should apply." Anna was afraid. The city was far, but she remembered her own words. "Be strong." She filled the form, sent it and waited. Weeks passed. Then one morning, a letter came. Anna opened it with shaking hands. She was accepted. Her family hugged her. The whole village clapped for her. Anna looked at the mountains and whispered, "This is just the beginning." Anna moved to the city. It was big, loud and full of lights. Her school was huge. The buildings were tall. Everything was new to her. At first, she felt small. Some girls wore fancy clothes and talked about things she didn't know. Anna had 2 dresses and no phone. Some students laughed at her. But Anna didn't cry. She remembered who she was. She remembered her family, the storm, and the broken roof. "I am here because I worked hard," she told herself. "I will not stop now." She studied every night. She asked questions. Some teachers noticed her. One of them, Miss Clara, said, "You are very smart and very brave." Miss Clara helped her join the science club. Anna built small models and bridges. She even won a school competition. One day, a girl who once laughed at her asked, "How do you stay strong?" Anna said, "I don't always feel strong, but I try. I don't give up." Her words spread. People started respecting her. She became a leader in the school. She wrote to her family every week. "I miss you," she wrote. "I am learning so much. One day, I will come back and build something for our village." At the end of the year, she gave a speech. She stood on the stage, looked at all the students and said, "Strength is not just about power. It's about standing up when you are tired. It's about helping others, even when you are afraid. I came from a small village. I had nothing, but I had courage. And that was enough to begin." Everyone stood and clapped. Anna smiled. She knew the journey was not over. There would be more storms, more tests, more fear. But now she had something strong inside her. A voice that always said, "Be strong." Thank you for listening to our story.